We're in the Caravan, the yet to be named Caravan. It's a Lunar Chateau 470. We probably did the cardinal sin of buying a Caravan from Facebook, but we went ahead and did it anyway. I thought it would be a good lockdown project if nothing else, and you know, you can sell them on in the summer or the spring and make a pretty good profit on them. So if it turns out horribly wrong, then we'll just get rid. But if it turns out fine, then it's going to be our home. So it's not a bad little Caravan. There's no damp that we can see of, and obviously we're no experts, but it looks fine. Things like the chassis and the structure of it look good. You know, we've actually stuck our head under and had a bit of a gander and can't see anything that's too wrong with it. We uncovered one problem, which was a small hole in the shower tray, but I think that's really easily fixed, to be honest. And we're intending on taking the Caravan for a service anyway to get a few things checked over and stuff, and just peace of mind generally in it on the electrics and gas.
Definitely.
More than anything.
Yeah.
We've tested everything, so I'm sure we'll do a proper tour around the Caravan when it's complete. But you know, we've got gas fire, 12-volt battery, oven, grill, rotisserie, you know, for all those times you want to cook a full-on roast chicken.
A roast chicken in the Caravan, yeah.
A rubber chicken. 3 sinks, because everyone needs 3 sinks. Shower, toilet. We've got a fixed double bed, which was a acquisition and function that we were really wanting. I think one of the things that probably did Amy's head in the most when you were just living in the van was having to make your bed or put your bed away in all extremes of weather. So that was one thing that we thought was kind of key and crucial when we were searching out the ideal Caravan. And we kind of liked the Lunar layout. Like, I think we saw a few of them really before we were like, got this one.
Yeah, went for this one.
We've got the seating area that we're in currently. Now, there's a few things we want to change. I mean, it's all perfectly livable, apart from, like I say, maybe it's the shower tray that needs fixing. But I think we want to make it more ours, like, and make it more homely. And I know some people like light oak, but I think we'd rather it was a bit more to our tastes. And then also probably like these cushions, they're a little bit ghastly.
Yeah.
So I think we're either going to enlist the help of some of the family or make the plunge and get a sewing machine and actually make some soft furnishings, which could be good fun.
Well, we'll give it a whirl.
Never done that before. New skill, lockdown skill, always good. Came some good curtains, so we're going to keep hold of them. Some of the lights are a bit ropey looking, so I think we're going to replace a few of the lights around and about. With all the light oak, we're going to sand it back, prime it, and I think we're going to go with white just to make it a bit more cleaner, a bit more lighter, a bit more modern, I guess. It's very sort of 70s, 80s, isn't it? The light oak look.
The good old Caravan light oak.
I mean, the Caravan's not that old. What was it? It was 2004?
5, I think.
2005. So it's not that old, but yeah, just the light oak looks a bit dated, so I think, yeah, we've got the massive task of sanding it back and priming it, painting it white. The ceiling and stuff's all okay, and you know, some of the bedding area is kind of white already, so I think it'll all be in keeping. Yeah, so I think we're going to try and, when we've got a little bit of light left, start sanding back and taking some handles off.